everyone, so we're gonna make those little tarelli today. It's so delicious. My stepfather used to buy them all the time, but we never made them at home actually. So good. It's crunch, light, herby. So those ones are made with herbe de Provence and a bit of thyme. You can put fennel seed, chili flakes, rosemary, like anything really. So good. I'll just leave them plain. The olive oil flavor is insane. Let's make it. Okay, so we're gonna need 500 grams of this flour 00. Ten grams of salt. The spice or herbs, fennel seed, anything you like. I'm gonna go for thyme. Just the right amount, yeah. Herbe de Provence. So you just stain your flour like that. That'll be plenty. Olive oil. Good quality. 110 grams. And 180 grams of white wine. Okay, let's combine together. I'll start with a spatula, I will finish it by hand. Right, I think it's time to put our hands in there. On the table. So let's knead it until nice and smooth, well combined together. So probably for a good 3 minutes. It becomes more and more elastic. But that's not too important because we're gonna let the dough have a little rest. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think we have it now. Nice and smooth. Yeah. So we're gonna let it rest for a good 15 minutes. Let's put a cloth on top so it doesn't go crusty. And we carry on. Okay, let's see. The dough has well rested and is less elastic. So when you press on top, stay down kind of. Right, let's shape it then. Smell amazing. Right. So here I got a pan boiled water. So here I got a pan with water. So I'm waiting for the boil because we're gonna push those little babies. Okay, so let's do a sausage. They remind me of the Tarelli biscuits. But similar ingredients, except we add sugar and we are not pushing them in the water, we bake them straight away. You can have a look on my channel, I think I've made them, Tarelli. So I think we're gonna roll it a bit thinner than that, like maybe half, don't know, it's hard to tell, less than a centimeter diameter. So if we cut I think they are still too thick, you see. So there are a little bit more. Yeah, that thickness. Something like that? Okay, let's put them here on the table. Yeah. Alright, one thing I haven't mentioned, guys, it doesn't stick, so you need to wet it. So here, on the side I have a cloth, clean cloth, soaked with water. I'm just wetting my hands, finish the rolling with my wet hands, and then it becomes more sticky. There you go. I've made quite a few, haven't I? It's good. Alright, so now we're gonna push them. So I need this one. A tray with a cloth for the drainage. And let's go for it. Put a few at a time. And when that goes up, it's ready. A bit like bagels. Bagels, we push them, aren't we? Come on, babies. It's coming. Oh, they start floating. Yeah, that's it. Soon it floats, we remove them. Okay, next batch, etc., etc. Ah, this one they don't stick. gonna fix it. There you go. Right, so now they're all poached. We're gonna put it on the tray, parchment paper, ready for the baking. Yeah? So they're quite sticky, like dumplings kind of. So they're a bit sticky, so I was thinking maybe we could put a bit of flake salt, you know, just tiny bit. I can hear the Italian, oh, mamma mia, why? Well, it's good to experiment, right? So 185 in the oven. Until nice coloration, we're gonna find out how long exactly. It has been 25 minutes. And it looks like could be ready. A light brown color. Underneath it has a little bit of color too. Ah, hot. You see? I think that's it. So we're gonna let them cool down. That's it, guys. Ah, it smells so good. It takes a little while to make, but you know what? I think it's really worth it. It's so delicious, this little thingy. You can play some music, Italian music, while making them. Enjoy, guys.